Hello everyone, welcome back to Printer Tales. If you're experiencing a printer issue and want to reset to factory settings, this video is for you. The printer factory reset process is simple and takes about 3 to 4 minutes. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to perform the reset using the printer's LCD panel. If you need more guidance, you can also talk to our experts by calling at the following numbers shown on the screen. Now, let's begin the reset process. On the control panel, press the right arrow button to navigate to settings and then press OK. In settings, scroll to the right until you find Restore Default Settings. Now, you should press the right arrow again to select Clear All Data and Settings. Finally, press OK to reset your printer to factory settings.
If you like our content, give us a like. And if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.